And what I found, that valve's extremely, what the devil? Stop. Start over. Something buzzing around my doggone head. Stop it. Man, there's something chasing me in here, and every time I go to work on this thing, he's bumping me, and I ain't seen it yet. Stop. You're gonna like eventually. I'm gonna smack that devil out of you. Dang it. That thing's giant. I don't know what it is, but I got a feeling it could hurt me. I don't see it right now. Get away from me. Doggone it. This dang thing is chasing me around the shop, man. Look at that. Look at this big old rascal. He's trying to get me. He's behind the WD-40. He's got to go. He done buzzed me a couple times. And I want to get my hands on that old Riley's brake cleaner. I know it'd save me. There he is. He's on that can. Look at him. He's ready to pop me. He's ready to get me. I got to get something to defend myself. He likes that yellow, don't he? Let me find something. Got this ant rope spray. Where is he at? Is he still over there? Where he at? Where'd he go? Dang it. I ain't got me something to spray on him. He's done chased me around here and chased me around. Every time I go to working on this, he starts buzzing around my head. Did you see the size of that thing? Where's that big old rascal at? Telling you, he saw I got this board and this here spray, and he run for the hills. Oh, hell, there he is. He hiding on that PB blaster over there. Can you see him? Oh, that back. Don't you move. Don't you get me. See him on that PB blaster? Golly, he's huge. He gonna get back up. Did I get him? Golly, that thing's giant. He gonna die. That thing's ginormous. I don't want you to see this part. Man, I sure hate for y'all to see that, but man, at some point it was kill or be killed. I'm telling you, it was getting close there. You think he could still get you? That rascal, he was dive bombing me, man. He was coming after me. I'm scared to touch that thing. I hope ain't no more of them up there. Dude, that thing was coming down and popping me in the top of the head. Every now and then I'd be working, I'd feel that thing tapping, something, and tap on top, and tap my hat. Let's stretch you out. He could be a world record. Oh, I'm gonna touch it. Oh, no, I ain't. Yeah, I am. You're gonna get me. Look at that rascal, man. Good night. Maybe this ain't no big deal to somebody, heck. What in the devil? There's you better look at the villain right there. I mean, that rascal, he was popping me top of the head. Man, if you got any idea what the rascal that was that attacked me, yeah, hey, drop me a little comment. Let me know what the devil's and should I be looking for some more of them? Hey, I appreciate you stopping in. And there's a, no, that's a butterfly. Whoo, I'm a little jumpy. Hi. I got to get back to adjusting them valves, but if you got any idea what it is, who come in here and tried to attack me, let me know. We'll see y'all later. Man, I hope